BBC One has a shorty to bring you some broadcast. Please stand by. Now, we have no change to promoise ... now. It's just too many active ice manager ... with her prime minister. It is bring about the Russian will ... invades ... and attack United Kingdom ... in. A nutshell of information to bring ... a grace about you next. Check harder ... what you shoulder in EAS Scenario. That's all information about the invades. Sorry we have, because the Russian has been invasion, and also did not continue. We promoise. We cannot telling bring at this time, because many military are so stronger. This time will be end of the broadcast. May God bless you all, and may God